Welcome back everyone. First thing we're going to do is toast our bread, and this bread is Pena di Casa. It's a good strong hearty bread. Then we're just going to go ahead and crack a few eggs into the bowl. And then after this, we're just going to give them a nice good strong whisk to get some air into the eggs. This will help them stay nice and fluffy while they cook. We're going to put some quality butter in there and a nice big dollop of it. This will help them stay nice, rich and velvety. After we let that butter melt a little bit, we're just going to crush up a little bit of garlic and throw it in there so this can infuse into the butter. This will help give it a nice lovely taste at the end without leaving it too strong. While you let this wait to infuse, we're just going to pick off some flat leaf parsley and then just set it aside. After we do this, we're just going to give that garlic just a little bit of a mix through so it keeps infusing into all that butter. Then we're just going to give that parsley just a nice fine chop. Making sure you're doing this with a sharp enough knife so you don't just bruise that parsley while chopping it. Now that garlic's settled in for a bit, we're just going to pull that out and get ready to start with the eggs. You can use a silicone spatula, it doesn't really matter. I just prefer to use a timber one. And the key with these eggs is to make sure you always continuously move these, bringing them on and off the heat without having that heat too high, otherwise you will start to cook those eggs way too quickly. And just so you know, these eggs did take a few minutes to cook. I just sped up the video just a little bit so it wouldn't take so long. But just remember, keep in mind on and off the heat so we do not overcook these eggs, otherwise you will ruin them. Going to go in with a little bit of salt and some pepper, as well as a bit of that parsley as well. We don't want to add too much of it to overpower the eggs, just enough to complement those flavours of the eggs. Give that a quick little mix, and we're going to add some double cream, or you can use some dollop cream if you can't find that. This gives those eggs that real creamy texture, and also helps stop the cooking process of the eggs so they do not overcook. We're going to hit that Pena di Casa bread with a bit of butter, and with this kind of bread you don't want to toast it too much because you still want that crunch but a bit of a chewy texture. Then we're just going to hit it with a little bit more pepper and some more parsley, and time to get into it. hit the video with a like and a subscribe, and definitely tell me if you enjoyed this recipe or not.